What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a smart keyless entry door lock. I've been wanting to review something like this for a while now. I just haven't gotten around to get to it, but now we have one that landed in the office. So anyways, this is a fingerprint activated door lock, so you can use your fingerprint, you can use an app, you can unlock it by using the key. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so it even says it right there, everything that I just said. All right, let's go ahead right here. Specifications, all of that good stuff. All right, so one thing that it says on the specifications, it says 4 AAA batteries, which is not included. Oh God. So we'll get into that later. All right, so when you first open it up, it is protected. Very nice. That means they care for their products. All right, even the instructions has a protection on. Nice. This is matte black. That's what I'm converting all of my hardware to. This has a nice feel to it, you guys. Like, it turns back very strong. See? You let go, let go. Now this is the main side right here, as you can tell, and it looks very sleek, very nice. So right there you have your little charger port right there. You have your key right here. So we will definitely get into all of that, you guys. We will be installing this. I don't know where I'm gonna install it yet. Maybe the garage. I do have another one coming in for the garage, but you know, just for us to have like a little test plot. The garage will be a good place to put one of these, definitely. Bedrooms, if you have like tenants, if you're like renting rooms to college kids and stuff like that, or you just renting room to anybody. If you don't want nobody to go into a certain room, like maybe your furnace room or something like that, then this will definitely be a good product to have. Or if you just want a fingerprint door lock for your house, for one of your bedroom, the master bedroom. Only one in it is the masters of the house. So anyways, so you have these weird looking keys, you guys. I don't know if keys are coming in like this anymore, or this is how they come in, but I don't know why, but why didn't they just put this black? Anyways, so I do have more black hardware with these, so definitely will be using black. It's a personal thing, all right? I'm not going to give it I'm not going to give it a bad review because this is black and this is silver, all right? But it would have been nice if this was, well, this is black. This is black, and if this is black, then that would have been a super plus. But anyways, I'm not harping over that. All right, we have the screws that go into the wall, and it looked like this might be an emergency key lock right here. I don't know where you use this at yet, but we will find that out. That's about it. So this is basically simple, you guys. It's really not too much to doorknobs, but yeah. So stay tuned and let's go ahead and install it. Put this on this way because your smooth side is supposed to close in with the door. You do not want to install this backwards because this is flat. You want this little curved side to go in, where the door is going to be shut, like so. And it looks like this is a tad bit bigger than the original, but we're going to leave it just like that for now. If I need to get like a chisel, then I'll chisel the hole out for it if I need to, but we will see about that. All right. Now what we have here, where's front and back? All right, so this part is the part where you have your fingerprint. You have a little wire right here. This is how you adjust if the hole is too big. You see that? So I'm going to put it all the way down. Now let me try. All right, that was a little bit better. All right, so you got to put the solid sides into the holes. All right, and it fits perfectly. All right, and I'm gonna show y'all the back so y'all can know. Oh, I got it upside down. Let me install this. This part, I believe, is supposed to be down so nobody can see the charger on there. All right, and we're gonna install this the other way. All right, there we go. And everything is good right there. All right, you guys, so now the important part of this is hooking this connection up. Now, in order to hook this connection up, you have to open up this doorknob, okay? Now, there's no connection here, as you can see. So you see there is a little seam right here going all the way around. You see that little speck right there? That's actually a push button. So you get this tool that comes with the doorknob, you push it down, and then you pull it out, and there you go. So there you have the little motherboard here, but you can see the connector right there. Now, to do this and be like organized, let me move this out the way. Now, if you want to be organized when you're doing this, they put this little rectangle, I call it a shaft, but this little rectangle part in here. So what you really want to do is take this back off, and you put this right through the wire. Now it's going to be hard for me to do it like that, but you got to put this part through, okay? And when you put that part through, it will make it straight, the wire straight, so that way it's not dangling or anything. So we are going to basically do all this all over again. So we are going to try to fit this right through the middle as good as we can. Got one on the top and then one on the bottom. All right, that's better. All right, that's good enough. Now, let's get into the meat and potatoes. All right, you guys, so we got that. Now we have our connection here. As you can see, we are going to put our connection on. All right, connection is on. All right, doorknob works. It's a little lip right here. So what we do is we'll scoop the lip in first and then push this in from the bottom. And it's hard to get in. If it's hard to get in, then try to use your pin to push. We'll try to use this to push the little pin up. Push up, and now it's in. All right. And now we in. Let me put 2 screws here. All right. All right. So I don't need to actually recess this. I have a big enough gap to where it closes. All right. All right. We're good to go. I'll get back to y'all after I download the app. All right, everyone. So we are about to go and get into the app. Now, I didn't go over everything in this app, you guys, so I'm going over it brand new, just like everybody else. But only thing I did do on the app was turn the auto lock off. So I am going to go ahead to Smart Life app. It's called G100. All right, so you see how fast it actually connects. It connects pretty fast, you guys. Now, I did install this maybe and I thought I turned notifications off. Okay, so I might get a few notifications on my screen, so please excuse me for that. Now, one thing I did turn off was the auto lock, because it was just annoying if I left my phone in the house and this was on auto lock. I would have to go through my garage and go through the front door. So when it's on auto lock, you cannot, every time you turn this, the knob here do not turn. So I will show y'all that. Let me go here. If you slide to the left, it's locked. All right, so when it's locked, you see That don't go in right there, right? All right, unlock.
Unlocked.
Now y'all see the latch turning on the knob. All right, now that is good, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie. Now when I first, I'm trying to stop this door real quick. All right, so when I first did lock and it was turning, I was like, why is it still turning? But then I noticed that this wasn't moving. So that is pretty cool. All right, so that's something new for me. All right, now we have, you could click on more. So if you want to turn auto lock off, you simply slide that knob over. Now you can have your auto lock delay if you want it to delay. Maybe you want to have a 23-second delay or a 30-second delay. All right, however long you want your delay to be. So right now we have 5 seconds. I think that's the minimum. So if I unlock the door,
Unlocked.
it should lock in like 5 seconds.
Locked.
All right, so there you go. Now that's a delay. So let's say if your kids went to school or something, they forgot to lock the door, then you can have like a 30-second delay on locking. That way you know that the door locked while, you know, your kids went to school, you at work, and your house is locked up and safe. All right, so I'm gonna turn auto lock off because I don't like auto lock, you guys. I don't like it. So I'm gonna turn it off.
Operation succeed.
All right, now you can also lower her volume. So you have high, medium, low, mute. Okay, so right now we're gonna go to low. Okay,
Operation succeed.
so now her voice is low. We're gonna go to normal,
Operation succeed.
and then we're gonna go to high.
Operation succeed.
All right. Now, anti-lock, I didn't really get into that. If I find the instructions, I will post it, but you can find out what anti-lock is. I don't like auto lock anyway, so. All right, now we could go to member management. I'm not going to get into smart scenes. Member management. So right now I am the admin, okay? I am the admin. And I am going to go ahead and click on me. All right. Now I can add a fingerprint because I didn't add a fingerprint. Now, when you leave it on auto lock off, the door never locks unless you lock it. So my garage door will lock when I lock it, and that is final. But right now I'm going to go ahead and set up a fingerprint just to set up a fingerprint. So let me go ahead and add.
Please enter user information.
Now, when you add the fingerprint, it's just like your cell phone and all of that stuff. You got to keep on pressing it. So right now, I'm going to use my thumb.
Exit setting option.
Oops.
Operation failed.
Let's retry.
Operation failed.
Oh, add.
Please enter user information.
Okay, let's try it again.
Input again. Input again. Input again. Input again. Operation succeed.
All right, so we have an operation succeed. It says fingerprint name. We could just put it right thumb, because that's what it was. Just in case I forget what finger that I used. All right, so let's see what happens.
Unlocked.
Unlocked and
Unlocked.
okay, so it'll stay on unlocked, and I get notifications very quick when it's unlocked. Now, it seems like your fingerprint only unlocks, it don't lock. So
Unlocked.
let me put on auto lock real quick.
Operation succeed.
Let's turn it on 10-second delay.
Locked.
All right, so right now it's locked.
Operation failed.
Hold on. There we go.
Unlocked.
All right. In 10 seconds, it should lock.
Locked.
right, now it's locked. Now I'm gonna go back because as far as setup goes, I have me, and you can add members here. So I will add the rest of the family, add their fingerprints on here, and then I will turn the auto lock on. That way they can unlock it with their fingerprint. All right, so that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.